Some of you may have seen the video I did on this UV sterilizing box a couple months ago. It's been a popular video. I'll put a link to it up above. You can check it out. The company that sent me this box said, hey, we know there's this pandemic going on. We would like to help out your viewers and sponsor a giveaway of some of our other products. So this video is a giveaway of 6 items, 2 of each of these 3 items here. I'll put a link to them down below on Amazon. You can check it out and see what you're getting. Just to go over them briefly, one of them is a UV sterilizing wand. The way it works, powered by a couple AAA batteries. Press the button here, after a couple seconds, it comes on, and they recommend that you hold this about an inch over what you are sterilizing, move it slowly back and forth 5 to 10 times, and it will sterilize it. This puts out only UV light. When you turn it up, the light goes off so that you're not getting UV light in your eyes, and then when you turn it back down, the light will come back on. Turn it off by pressing the off button right there. These other 2 items are Uvc sterilizing lamps, and despite the fact that they look different, they're different sizes and they're different prices, they both function essentially the same. They both have the same 3.8 watt UVC bulb, puts out 185, 235 nanometers, including ozone, so it will sterilize a larger area. Now when I did this, I was able to swab some agar plates and incubate them and test to see if it actually did sterilize the area. When I did this, it was summer. I had my 100-degree garage to incubate those in. I don't have an incubator, and it's now December, so I don't have a way to test these to see if they do officially work. So I'm taking the company's word for it. They did say that this one worked, and it did work when I tested it. So I'm gonna take their word for it that these do also work. What they tell me is that they will clean about a 10 by 10 foot area between the UV light and the ozone. The way they work is you put them down, you hold down the button, and after either 10 or 30 seconds, the light will come on. It gives you time to kind of get out of the room so the light is not going in your eyes. They will then go for either 15 minutes or 30 minutes in the case of the larger one, or a 30-minute cycle in the white one. The difference between the 2 of these is that this one is a plastic resin it's made of, and this one is made of aluminum. It's a little bit larger, it's a little bit nicer. They do create some ozone, so they recommend afterwards give the room about 10 minutes to kind of diffuse a little bit so you don't go in there and breathe that ozone. Now the rules for entering this contest, 3 rules. 1, you have to live in the US just to save on international shipping costs. 2, it's Christmas time, so do something nice for someone. It's on the honors system. I don't have any way to prove that, but do something nice for someone. And 3, you have to leave a comment so that I know that you've entered the contest. And in that comment, say how you would plan to use this, where you would use it, how you would use it. And then the contest is going to run for 2 weeks. I will use a random comment generator off the internet, and I will do that in a video as well so you can see that it's fair. And I will respond to those 6 people, and we'll get in touch and sort out our information, and we'll get you your winnings. So good luck, post some comments, stick around. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate the company for sponsoring this video. Check out their products on Amazon. I'll put a link to them down below as well. I appreciate it. Stay safe. Catch you in the next video.